Hello, welcome to my channel. These are the products I will be using today to demonstrate how to do a glass gem ball. Hope you like it. I'm going to paint the styrofoam ball pink, and all you do is just get the sponge, dip it in the pink paint, and paint all around. Make sure you get everything, and then all you have to do is let it dry for a few minutes, and once it's dry, all you do is get the silicone, the glass gems, and you put some silicone on it. If you find it easier to put the silicone onto the styrofoam ball, go ahead and do that, and then just place your gems on top. It does take a few minutes for them to completely dry, so be careful with them because they could fall off. I chose white gemstones because I wanted it to look a little bit different, and this is the end result. Let me know what you think about my video, and go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my page, and let me know any comments that you have.